We're emotional beings as human beings, so we're not purely logical. Some of the hard skills are really important to have, but the soft skills are actually how people make decisions.
An assembly line over time is going to degrade. In companies today, that assembly line, that's your people. And if you're not maintaining them, then your entire machine is going to come to a screeching halt.
Make the environment psychologically safe. Psychologically safe means everyone around them doesn't feel like they have to cover, they don't have to hide, they don't have to watch their back.
Help people from wherever they're starting end up at the end of their time in your organization with a higher level of performance. And that's going to keep people engaged in your organization for much longer.